All right, I'm just going to do one more test here of the Vimble. I'm going to walk with it so you can hear if there's any gimbal noise as we're going. I am still having some balancing issues, by the way, so you might hear a little vibration going on. And I think this is just, again, a pre-release problem, but all the more reason to wait a little bit before putting your money into this thing. But you can see it keeps things very stable. What I am going to do now is just change the orientation of it a little bit just so you can hear it as I'm panning. So very quiet. Thanks.